project that I have made in order to help people to memorize the concepts easily. I had been receiving many complaints from my fellow classmates and the other students of the school regarding the fact that they will not able to memorize very easily the concepts that were present in the different subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and so on. And so I decided that why not create a Java project which is specifically based on this purpose. So I created this particular project which helps people to memorize quickly and effectively. So let's begin with the project. So basically this project is developed in a BlueJ environment. This is the syntax of the project which can be seen here. You will get this syntax in my website that I have created. So I will just give you a quick overview of the syntax that is there. It's basically a BlueJ environment which consists of a complex development of the different kinds of loops, the try-catch method and also the for loop. I have created different kinds of programs in this which perform different kinds of functions. So now you can get the entire code on the website. So now let's go on to the output that will be executed to the student. So I am now going to execute the program. So this is the main menu which I am going to execute, which is linked to all the other classes that are present in it. So here is how the terminal window looks like. I will just maximize it so that you can get a clearer view. Yeah, so here is the main menu that is there. We have about 4 to 5 options that are present. First one is the poem, which means it consists of a particular poem that is there and which helps you to memorize it more effectively. So let's go on to that option. So here it comes, enter your choice. So I'm going to enter one in order to go into the poem menu. So here you can see that the first option gives us the original view of the poem. The second one gives us the line-wise keywords, which are basically for each line I have developed certain keywords which help us remembering that line in an effective way. And the third option are the paragraph-wise keywords. So for an entire paragraph of the poem, I have developed a particular keyword which explains that entire paragraph in a single word. So let's get a quick overview of it. So the first option.
इथेच बघून बोल म्हणजे ते करत राहतो पण इथेच बघ नंतर मी तुला ते एडिट करू देईन.
So the first option gives us the original poem. It's a poem by Robert Frost, which is quite a famous one. And so now we will go back to the main menu. And now let's go on to the second option, that is the line-wise keywords. So as you can see here, for each of the lines I have developed certain keywords. So for example, if we take the second line, and sorry I could not travel both. So here the sorry and the travel both are the keywords that explains the entire line. So I have developed it in a concise way. Now let's go on to the third option. So as you can see here, there are the paragraph-wise keywords. So for this entire first paragraph, the keyword that I have chosen is choice, which means that the poet is trying to give out his choice in this paragraph. So by remembering this in a single word, you can link it to the previous option, that is the line-wise keywords. So if you remember only the word choice, you can link it with the line-wise keywords that were displayed in the second option. And then with the help of that, you can remember the entire poem in an effective way. So now this was the poem menu. Now let's go back to the main menu in order to check out the other options. So here the second option is the GK. So we enter into that, and now you can see here there are again 3 options. That is the original questions and answers. I have developed certain about 4 to 5 questions in order to give a feel of how the actual program looks like. And let me remind you that this is only a basic version of the program. It's not a completely finished version. So it consists of only certain questions, and it helps to give an idea of how the entire program will look like. So this is not an application kind of thing that will go out and that can go out and into the market on its own. So now as you can see, the first option is there, and the second one is the sentences to remember. So for the questions that are there, I have prepared certain sentences which are easier to remember and which can easily be captured into the mind. And the third one is the mnemonics. So for the sentences, again, just like the poems, you have to just remember the mnemonics that are written here, which can help you to link up with the sentences that are present in the second option, and which can help you to gain the original answer. So now let's go on to the original question and answer menu. So here you can see there are about 4 questions which tell you about the questions and the answers that are there. This is the original version. So now let's go back to the GK menu, and this is the second option, that is the sentences to remember. So as you can see here, if I take this question, who are the first 8 US presidents? So the original answer is written here, that is those are the names of the original presidents, and this is the sentence, that is, will a jolly man make a jolly visitor. So this is a sentence that concises the answer in a short way, and this sentence, as you can see, is quite easy to remember. So now in this way all the 4 questions are prepared. So now let's go back to the GK menu, and the third option is the mnemonics one. So you can see now again, if I go to the second question, it has displayed me the original answer, it has displayed me the sentence, and it has also displayed me the mnemonics. So this is nothing but I have picked up the first letters of the words of the sentence and then constructed a word from it. So now by remembering this word, you will get the first letters of the words of the sentence. So you will get the entire sentence, and from the sentence you can easily pick up the answer to this question. So this is how the GK menu works. Now let's go back to the main menu, which will tell us the further menu options that are available to us. Yeah, so here we have finished the poem and the GK menu. Now let's go on to the subject menu. So as you can see, there are 3 basic sciences that are present: physics, chemistry and biology. I will only show you one of these because the other 2 are based on the same structure. So let's go on to the physics menu. So here again, just like the GK menu, there is the original question and answers, sentences to remember, and the mnemonics. Now I will directly go on to the mnemonics because I have already explained about the question and answer and the sentence to remember menu in the GK menu. So as you can see here, it is again of the same type. Let's take up the question 3, that what are the 3 fundamental particles of an atom. So it is, as almost all of us know, that it is the proton, neutron and the electrons. So now I have made it into a sentence that is pick and eat. So pick and eat is kind of a very easy sentence to remember, but still I have also created its mnemonic, that is P and E. So now by P and E you can easily remember pick and eat, and from pick and eat you can easily remember protons, neutrons and electrons. So now this is how the program works, and you can easily remember this question. So this is how the physics menu works, and in the similar way the other sciences menus also work. So now let's go on to the main menu again. So now we have completed the 3 menus. Now comes the 4th menu, that is the test option. So the test option is just if you have revised the previous 3 menus and you want to review that what you have learned from it. So you can just go on to the test menu as I am going now. So again in the test menu you can see the 5 options that are present in the main menu. So if I choose on GK, or let's say I choose on physics. So this is the first question that comes to me. What is the energy in terms of PD and charge? So now we have to enter the mnemonics here, and then so now let's go on to the 4th option, that is the test menu. So as you can see, I have gone on to the test menu, and here you are able to see the same option that are present on the main menu. So now if you go on one of the options, it will just tell you about the sentences that are present, the questions, and then you have to enter the sentence, and then you have to enter the mnemonics. And then you have to, with the help of those 2 things, you have to enter the final answer. And based on the number of right answers that you give, it will calculate your score and give you a percentage. So now this is the end of the program. You can just check out the test menu, as this video is gone a bit too long. So you can just check out the test menu on my website, that is www.sohamgadgil.com for further information. So now I am going back to the main menu, and I am exiting this program.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.